Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing of the Veniibot N1 Max. This is their latest model. This model washes its own mopping pad and also does vacuuming and mopping at the same time. So we'll go ahead and get this open, see what's in the box. And then this little thing here just says robot with automatic mopping, a system for every family. Get that open. Alright. So up top here we have our power cable. It is for the US. We have our usage manual, a cleaning tool, and then some extra filters for the mopping system. We have some side brushes with screws. You can see those there. Set those aside. And then let's take this piece of cardboard out here. And then we have the main unit itself. Set this aside here for just a second. We'll take this out. Move the box all the way. Here's our cleaning base station. So the unit will actually wash its own mopping pad. And then our clean water tank up on top. Dirty and clean. We'll set that there. Let me just take out the robot here. Alright, here's the robot. Here you can see our dustbin there with our filter at the bottom. Has LiDAR navigation. Here's our charging indicator. Here's the bottom of the vacuum itself. And then the mopping pad attachment, which raises and lowers as it goes over different carpets. It'll sit in the base like that when it charges, and then when you're ready to clean, you can either mop only or vacuum at the same time. So this is everything inside the box. Got our charging cable, 2 side brushes, and the robot itself and the base. Set this out in a spot and we'll get ready to set it up and see how it all works. We're connected to the Veniibot app, so it wants us to hold the function and power button for 3 seconds until it says network is reset. Alright, now that we have pressed the start and function button, let's go ahead and hit next. I'll enter my Wi-Fi password. Hit next. Now it's programming the device here. Okay, connecting was successful. As you can see, we have our device online. As you can see, it has 43% charge. Let's look at the app here. That's all we can do right now for the app until we get it charged, and then we can have it start cleaning. Here is the app itself. We have cleaning and mopping, standard mode, clean a specific area, clean where you point, and you can clean the fabric, start cleaning, or charge. Alright, so as you can see here, it's just creating a map. You can see the LiDAR process is pretty quick. Alright guys, so we got this all charged up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it on carpet with the vacuum portion, and then a little bit later I'll make a separate video showing the mopping feature, and we'll do kind of a head-to-head challenge. But I just wanted to show off the vacuum portion, see how well that is. just to add on to this video a little bit so it's not so short for you guys. So we'll go ahead and spread some dog food around in the master bedroom here, and we'll see how well it does on carpet. Alright guys, as you can see, we're in the master bedroom here. I'm going to go ahead and spread some dog food around. Kind of put them in clumps here a little bit along the slides over there. Just kind of want to be cautious about anything under the bed because this robot is a lot larger, so it can't quite fit under the bed or tighter spaces. Alright guys, so we have the robot in here now. I'm going to go ahead and let it clean up the mess here I made with the dog food, as you can see. And we'll kind of see how it does. And then, like I said, we'll do another video where I have it clean and mop at the same time, and then we'll do one with just mopping. So this is just part of a series that I'm going to do with this robot here. One thing I do want to mention, this robot was sent to me for free to review. I'll do my best to show you the pros and cons of this robot without showing any favoritism on my part. Just because this was sent to me for free to review, I do not favor my robots that get sent to me for free to review. I let them show off their power and all that. So we're going to get this started. So one thing I should mention is the robot itself is on standard vacuum power. There's another level up from standard, which is enhanced. Then we have like a medium, and then we have max power. Alright, so here's everything I left. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below.